So good afternoon everybody, myself Acharya Vishvendra. Let's continue in NCERT line to line discussion, chapter 14, semiconductor electronics. So let's begin with the question number 149. It says that charge on n-type semiconductor is, so they are neutral, so there is no net charge, so third is correct. Next is charge on p-type, it is also neutral, zero charge. Next is dopant atom of the p-type semiconductors can be treated as, so they can be treated as a core of negative charge with its hole as depicted in the diagram over there. So first is correct. Next is for a p-type material, holes are majority carriers, electrons are minority carriers, both are correct. Third will be correct over here. Next is in p-type semiconductors recombination decreases number of, no, there are actually more number of holes, so they will decrease the number of electrons. So second is correct over here. Next is in p-type semiconductors, number of holes dominates, so second will be correct over here. Next is a p-type semiconductor is obviously it's neutral, third is correct over here. Next is in p-type semiconductors, charge of additional charge carrier is obviously it is equivalent opposite to the ionized core, so that makes things neutral. Next is in extrinsic semiconductor, by doping intrinsic concentration of minority charge carriers. Extrinsic semiconductors by doping intrinsic concentration of minority charge, obviously it decreases. Next is in extrinsic semiconductors by doping energy band structure is affected. Obviously energy band structure so in extrinsic semiconductors at room temperature most of the donor atoms gets ionized, this is correct, and a very few atoms of silicon gets ionized, this is also correct, so third will be correct over here. Next is in extrinsic semiconductors, conduction band will have most electrons from, so obviously most of the donor atoms gets ionized, so most of the electrons will be from the donor impurity, so first is correct over here.